Hey there, and welcome to the second part of the tutorial of Analekara in the Raga Suddha Saveri. So if you have learned the swara, then you can learn the Sahitya. Otherwise you will struggle. So the Raga Lakshana of Suddha Saveri can be seen as the derivative of 22nd Melartha Raga, 23rd Melartha Raga, Gauri Manavi, 28th Melartha Raga, 29th Melartha Raga, Dhira Shankara Varna. Then it's an Audava Raga, Gandhara, Nishada Varji Raga, Upanga Raga, Swarasansa, Shadja, Chadashudishaba, Shuddhamadima Panjaman, Chadashudi Daivada. The Arohana goes like this. Sari ma padha sadha pama ri sa sadha pama ri sa. Okay, phrase by phrase. First phrase. Analekara. Re ma re sa dha sa dha. Analekara. Unni boladi. Unni sa sa. Unni boladi. Da pa ma pa. One stretch. Unni bolati. Yeah. Then Sakala da sa sakala shastrapu da pa shastrapu. One stretch. Sakala shastrapu. Rana pa mari mari pa mari Rana dinnam da pa dinnam. No need to shake your head like dinnam. I was just showing you. Okay. Without a more movement only, also you can sing. The phrase will go like that. Rana dinnam. That's it. Then tala dinnam. There. Pa pa tala dinnam. Dinna is the repetition of the previous phrase. Da da pa dinnam. One stretch. Tala dinnam. Then Tala. Tala is a repetition of the previous phrase. Pa pa tala parikatu re re pari ma pa parikatu da pa parikatu re re pa mari pa ma pa mari mari pa mari re re. One stretch. Ala parikatu re re. There. Only Akara is there. Sari sari pa ma pa. Then again same thing. There sari 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 sari. Then pa pa dha pa pa mari. Only Agara is there. Then say tu ha. There. Re sa say tu re. Re sa re say tu va ha ma ma va ha. One stretch. Say tu va ha. Then Parikha tunnam. Da pa pari kha, da, pari, kha, tunnam, sa, sa. One stretch. Pari, kha, tunnam. Then, only one more phrase is there to learn. Jada, juda. Jada, re, sa, jada, ju, da, pa, ju, uda, ma, pa. One stretch. Jada, juda. That Sakala Shastra Purana. It goes like that. Follow the script, you will understand the order of the song. So that's the end of this tutorial. The song Analekara in the Raga Shuddha Saveri. Keep on practicing and get thorough with this Raga, this tough one. Shuddha Saveri only having 5 swarasthanas. That makes it more difficult to sing. Yeah, hope this one was really a beneficial one for you all. Keep on practicing. If you have got any suggestions or opinions, post them as comments. See you in my next video. Bye bye.